We gotta go home and get my sweater. So look, here's your shifting gears all the way over and up's one, okay? Just clutch in, little gas, let off the clutch, then clutch in, right into second. What's that noise? You hear that? What's up, guys? Got something fun we're gonna do today. It's hard to get him to want to ride a bike or a dirt bike, four-wheeler, but I think this is enough car truck like he wants to learn how to drive a standard, right, Bubba? You gonna check her out?
Sure.
Which one's the clutch?
This is
The left. You don't push it with that foot.
oh, this is
Push it
the
with
clutch
that foot.
here.
Okay.
This is the gas, and I don't know what this is.
Now, this is the clutch. This is your brake.
Brake and gas.
That's your throttle. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. All right, let go. Hang on. End up. Give her some gas. You give her a lot of gas. Go ahead. Now dump the clutch. There you go. Put your hand on the shifter. Keep driving. Clutch in. Second gear. Oh, slam that one, boy. Easy. Go easy. Now don't go through this puddle, boy. I ain't got no front fender, damn it. All right. Now let's just cruise in second up to the stop sign. Once we get past these bumps, we might hit third. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Okay, listen, if you miss the gear like that, it ain't a big deal. Just use the brake. Yeah. Boy, did you see the dad brake, boys? Did y'all see the dad brake before he blew through the stop sign? Clutch it up, put your foot on the brake. So don't roll, foot on the brake. Start it. Go into first gear with the clutch all the way down. Let off the brake. Hold on, clutch in. All right, hold on. You can leave it in gear this time. Clutch all the way down, brake all the way down. Now look, you got something over here. Fire it up if you want. All right, you're clear. Go ahead and let off the brake. Gas it. Oh yeah. Go ahead and go. Second gear, boy, you got a bus on your tail. Nice shit. Third gear. That was fourth. You went into second again. That's okay. Just keep going straight. I gotta figure out what this zapping sound is back here. It sounds like I got something electrical shorting out. Now when we get up here, try the brake thing again. Clutch in, use the brake. There you go. Go into first. Gas it a little bit. Oh boy, you gotta give it a little gas. Clutch it. Gas her. It started. Whoop. Check both ways before you go through the stop sign. Now go down here. Let's see you grab second. Now third. Easy. Now try fourth, just straight down into fourth. Clutch. Nice. Now straight up into third to slow down. Nice. Now over and down into second. Nice, boy. That's what chirping gears is right there. Oh, damn it. First gear, clutch. It's just like a dirt bike. If you're not moving, you gotta have the clutch in, okay? Or in neutral. Now go straight. Stick second. Nice. All right, now we're gonna turn around, so go back into first. Nice. Give her a little gas. Try and slide it a little. There you go. Now straighten her out. Hit second. Turbos. That time you stuck her. Oh shit, we're crashing, boys! There's a jump right there, kid. God damn. Y'all see that dad saved my own ass. I was looking out for numero uno. What you gassing it like that, little goober? So make this right turn and chirp second. Now, you ready for me to show you step 2?
Sure.
Get turned around. Clutch dump like you're trying to spin the tires. Up for it. Dump the clutch. You let go of the gas. What did you get scared of?
No, I messed up.
Clutch, second gear. Nice. Come back into first. Nice work, son. Remember braking. Let's see you use the brake. This time, be prepared because it's going to throw you back a little bit. Hold your gas on. Just it's in gear. Dump the clutch. Now, second. Yeah, buddy. Would you put it in neutral? Oh, he's trying to get fancy. Easy, boy. First. All right, stop right here where it'll shake. That's neutral. Hit second gear, go. Hit it. Nice shit, boy. First and second, you're holding all the way over and you're going boom, boom. The only time you let it come this way at all is if you're trying to go into neutral or third. Rev her up a little bit. Go! All right, easy now. Now go back into second. Good job. See how you pulled it over? Good job. Get her straightened out. Nice. Hammer down. Put it back in second, silly. You were already in second.
Oh, I know. It's just trying to like...
You don't have to shift it. If you just want to dump, keep it in second, keep going. Now just get her going straight. Hold the clutch in. Rev it and dump it. Now. Easy, boy. This thing will flip over on us, son. You got to have your tires broke for you a little more than that. Buckle up, boy. Oh, here, hold on to the dog. There you go. Oh, I feel ripped
This
off.
ain't pizza?
I feel ripped off. See how it wouldn't slide? All you do is look, push in the clutch, rev it. You don't even have to shift. So this is his first test, boys. The clutch dump test. I'm not gonna help you on this one. Go. Yeah, boy. What'd you do? Go for fourth? You trying to go into fourth?
No, I was trying to go for third. I have to go up like that.
With this turn, I'm gonna give it more power right here. Look. Whoa. I think we're out of gas, Bo. Or is she just hot?
That's hot.
Don't put your hand in the back of it. It's got a fan spinning, so careful. I hope we're not out of gas. That's my fuel pump that's buzzing. I am out of gas. Oh, broken fuel line.
That's what's been like messed up.
That's what the issue is. Broken fuel line. It's gonna burn up my pump. Yeah, that's my.
To fix.
No. All I gotta do is see this line.
Yeah.
Look, it goes right here to the top of the tank, and it comes over here. And this pump, look right here. This thing right here pumps fuel through here to it. That's why it was acting like it's starving for fuel a minute ago.
Oh.
And now it's probably just out of gas.
Can we fix this and fill it? Everything we can go back on the road later.
We definitely can. I told Reagan I was gonna let him ride too.
All right, cool.
I wonder if this has.
I like this though a lot.
I think it was wasting a lot of
650,
gas.
right?
Yeah. Here, hop in. We might be able to drive it up there if we're lucky. Yeah, I can't. Damn it. Well, we got the Ranger we can tow it out of here with. Really, actually, what I'm going to do, Parker, we'll leave it here. Blake's working in the morning. I'll just come out here with the line and the gas can.
Right.
Why is this blinker on? Or if you want to fix it now, we can go get in the Ranger and do it. You want to keep driving it?
It's fine, yeah.
Okay.
Think we can cruise around the neighborhood?
Yeah, you and Reagan can probably drive it around here if you're careful. We got to rescue this thing, so we're going to hop in this Ranger. I think we just got to take some gas over there and it'll get enough in the car for me to drive it over here and switch the line. So you guys, you got to listen to your instincts. I knew for a fact I heard something on that deal. It sounded electrical to me. I thought it was a short, but it was a fuel pump humming because it had a cracked line on it. So we're going to go out there and try and put some fuel in it and hopefully be able to get enough in the carb to drive it back up here. If not, we'll just pull it with the Ranger. Hell, you. We got this thing in there. You don't want to drive it. It ain't no fun, man. You need to be shifting gears. You all right? So y'all don't mind this jobby. Yeah, dude. She's bone dried it. It's not too.
We could, like, since we're probably gonna need something for this, we could just get like electrical tape, tape that, and maybe a zip line.
You can't electrical tape fuel line, son.
It's a small gash, though.
You sound like Blake. You been working on shit with Blake?
No.
Get over there, get in the buggy. You sound just like Blake. Alrighty. I don't even see it leaking, really. They're just kind of cracked. Turn on the key, but don't start it, because the fuel pump bangs as soon as the key's on. I mean, it don't seem to be leaking. Even though it's cracked, I should probably, I'm gonna replace that, but hell, I'm gonna let you guys keep riding it because it ain't leaking. Sun's coming out here. We're gonna give it a, hit the neighborhood real quick and see if he can, drive it on the road safely. Ew. Go get your shoes on. That's dangerous, son. That was a sheriff. Did you see the lights on his car? Now, this is where we messed up last time. Downshift into first. Use your brake. There you go. All right, stop at the stop sign. Clutch all the way in. All right, you can go that way if you want. Low gas. Let it out slow. Slow, boy. Grab second.
Tons of pressure on it, so it's hard to like release it.
Grab second. Nah, well, last time I like bounced it a bunch of times. This time I'm gonna go slow, like this, and then try and turn it up into there. It's all in my shoes, man. In my damn sneaks, in my crack, in my crevices.
Oh, my bandana.
It's probably on the bike. What's that one right there?
Yeah, clutch. Brake, yes.
And what is that?
A stick shift, a 4-speed with reverse.
Nice, manual shift, huh? Cool. Do you have fun driving it?
Yep. I like
Automatic.
stuff like this. That's fun.
Oh, I see. And we got videos coming up every Thursday and Sunday for at least the next 30 days. So be sure and like and subscribe, share to your friends, watch these videos, and drop me a comment, man. I'll reply. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching.